So with everything said and done, what's going on, people? Welcome back to Briar's Home DIYs. So right here are some potted plants or vegetables that are recently planted. And when it comes to delivering water to your plant or watering your plant, there are several ways you can do that. And for my case, I went with drip irrigation. And in this video, I'll be showing you the reason why I chose this type of irrigation, and maybe with that you can also employ the same method. So thank you for watching this video, and if at the end of the video you love the content that you see here, like and subscribe to the channel for more home DIY solutions. As always, thank you for watching. Watering your potted plants is one easy task, but understanding the plant water requirement is still a challenge. Many times we end up doing it wrong, either by applying too much water, using the wrong method, or applying at irregular intervals. In any method you select, what you really have in mind is proper timing and frequency, such as watering them every evening. You are also trying to consider the right amount of water, and sometimes it may mean flooding the plant water pots, thinking that you are considering or you have applied the right amount of water. Now, there is one factor that influences every other factor that you might consider. That is water retention rate. If you can find a method or a container that is going to make the water available to the plant roots for a long period of time and deliver the water in a way that is going to be sustainable to the plant roots, then that will be the best method. Sometimes you may find yourself watering the plants twice a day or even flooding the plant containers, but what you are really after is water retention. So if you can understand the goal you have in mind before embarking on any method of irrigation, then that will save you lots of money, time and water. One method I have used before is the can method or using a hose. And the thought you have in mind while using this is to flood the water pot, thinking you have satisfied the plant needs. But the shortcoming of this is a lot of water goes to waste, and at times you have to water twice a day to keep the soil wet. To improve water retention for your potted plants, placing a collecting pan or tying a bag at the base of the plants can work great. But if the plant water uptake is low, which is always the case, it may result in rotting of the plant roots, which is evident by the leaves yellowing. A way to resolve this is creating a space between the plant roots and the water collector, then having a material that sips water to the plant roots at a rate almost equal to the plant uptake. I went with rain drip irrigation through pipes and emitters. The goal I had in mind when deciding on drip irrigation was to build a system easy to automate, water saving, and good water retention. Since the flow rate from drip emitters is always very low, that means you can apply a little amount of water for a longer period, making it available to the plant. And one way to improve on water retention with this method is to employ collection pans at the base of the plant or at the base of the container. The way you'll build your system depends on the knowledge that you have concerning it, and also the materials available at your disposal. And the materials that you'll need to build it include a drip pipe, distributing tubes, connectors and emitters. The pipes might come with holes already in place, but if you can get a pipe with no holes on it, then you can make the holes yourself. That will really be good in determining the plant placements. And once you have all the materials assembled, you can now go ahead and connect the system. To get an automated system, there are several irrigation control devices that you can use. One such device is the BIF irrigation time, which has the option for drip irrigation. So go ahead and configure your device and let it work for you. Now, the major problems you might encounter while using drip emitters are the emitters being blown out or leakages at the point of connections. And this normally occurs with rising temperatures, since the pipes expand on heat and loosens the connection. There are two ways you can fix this. Get yourself the PVC cement and use it as you make the connections, or you can reduce the pressure on the pipes. So a few extra parts you might need for these are a control valve, which helps adjust the water flow rate in case the pressure is in excess. You may also install a pressure regulator to reduce the pressure. Once everything is set, then it's time to sit back and enjoy your hard work as you watch your garden grow. A few maintenance practices to do are to frequently check the emitters for functionality in case of clogs and blown out emitters. Okay folks, that's all about drip irrigation. If you have enjoyed the content, like the video and subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching.